right, this is going to be the grand finale. Fury here is loaded up with over a 1/4 pound of powder and one of these little guys. That is a 7,000 grain lead ball, aka 1 pound. It's going to be producing over 25,000 foot-pounds of energy, and it's going to slam into that engine block. I am very excited to see what's going to happen. All right, we have got the car running, the gun loaded up, everything's good to go. Just going to pull back this hammer. I'm really excited. I have shot many cars with many different calibers, but never a punt gun. And we are about to find out what that looks like. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Holy cow, it was loud. Oh no, she did. Look at that hole.